When you find a similar listing, to make sure it's the same, otherwise it's gonna be a different version, try to be always find similar. If not, just create a new one, and then you can do anytime to go to your listing and then create a new listing. However, in this scenario, I will try to find what I'm trying to list. So this is the item, so I'm gonna try to find similar. I believe this is kind of similar, and maybe same item, even not. I will try to list this one. So what I'm gonna do, let's say this is same item. You just come here. This is guys sold 4 times. Or however, you can do always like that. So just go back and let's say this item, and you make sure you're not listing the Vero item. Do not list Vero item, because you are not allowed to sell on eBay. So you just have a look. If there is an item, just try to sell them similar. Just come here, and then when you scroll down, you will see here to sell it yourself. You just need to click, and that's it. So after that, you just put some information, change the title. If you can find really good keywords, you can always go to Title Builder or different website and just change your name, or if you want to, there is 80 character you can put. Try to use as soon as possible to fit all words keys. Use powerful, because really important. Put in category, picture, and all other stuff. And when you've done everything, you just come here and then just list your item. That's it. And then when you sold this item, just go to buy the Amazon and send your customer, or different platform. You can just always list. There is 1,000 supplier platform. However, if you do with software, what you have to do, I really highly recommend, you can use HustleGoTrail, also AutoDS as well. Depends which. There is Squigrid, there is a DSM tool, there is so many software out there. Be honest, you can use any of them, which one you like to use. But I really love the HustleGoTrail, and I use both, like AutoDS as well.